So would you like to automate stuff from AliExpress into your Shopify store? I'm going to be showing you how we can do this in a very easy way. Welcome guys to Aliexpress. In today's tutorial, let's check out how we can automate stuff from AliExpress directly into Shopify. So the very first step is to have an actual Shopify store. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so you can all get started with the Shopify store. You might be having a few discount codes and all of that. So once you have your account here, you're gonna be seeing your actual account already created. Here's the dashboard here, and once you're here, what you want to do is to make some automations right away into your Shopify. So as you can see here, I have a few products already been added into my store, and these are actually located, and I found all of this product directly from AliExpress. And how do I actually did it? The very first thing is to have an actual Shopify store. Now I want to have an AliExpress account. Now that I have an AliExpress account, let's go back into Shopify. So I'm gonna go into applications and look out for an application that helped me look out for an AliExpress provider. So it's gonna be sending products from here and adding directly into Shopify, and then later on the automation should be added, of course, as the word says, automatically. So here I'm into my Shopify store. If you just type AliExpress, it's going to be showing you some suppliers that come helping you to get started. For example, there's Deezers, there's Ali Reviews, there's Dropshipment, and there's Dropshipping. Choose the one that best suits for you. Remember to choose a free version to install this so you can have so you don't have to pay extra for that and make the installation. In our case, we already have an account inside the actual provider of AliExpress, so we wanted to sign in and grant the authorization from Shopify into our AliExpress. To do that, you can always go into the authorization section, go for Shopify, and here you want to make sure that your store has been authorized automatically. If you don't see the authorization of that, you can always go into the create your store right now, and your account already been imported right away. So now, let's say for example that you wanted to look out for a product that you find into AliExpress. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go for Christmas. Now here into Christmas, I can see that there is a lot of products that I can add into my store. But today, let's say for example that I'm only willing to work with this Christmas train Merry Christmas store. So there's two ways that I can add this. I'm gonna copy this URL and I'm gonna paste it into the AliExpress provider. Sometimes this found the product, sometimes it doesn't. So if you don't find the product with the URL provided in there, what you can do is to go back into AliExpress. I'm going to copy the name of my whole product and I'm going to paste that where I paste my URL. And if you don't find the product that you're looking for, it's going to be showing you a few related products that you can start to sell there. So here, as you can see, I found a really great related products. So I wanted to go here and go for add to QE so I can add more products into my store. So I choose the one that I wanted to add into my products. For example, there it is. And now once I am ready, I'm going to go into QE. And here what I want to do is now to add this product into my Shopify store. So in order to make the automation, first I needed to make sure that the whole product has been set up and sent it directly into my store. So I select all the products and I go for manual listing. So here I choose my store, recommended listing price, and I just wait till the status has been changed from pending into approved. Now, how can I make the actual automation? When somebody purchases a product, there appears into the order section. Here into order, since we make a dropshipper supplier from AliExpress, these orders should be appearing directly into our provider. That means the order section of CJ Dropshipping in this case. So you can see that here into the imported orders should be appearing the orders that were in here and automatically send it in here. So I can manage my unfulfilled dropshipping orders here, authorize my store to make the sync to the store orders, and I can make the automation and the fulfilling them by just hitting into next. And since your order has been successfully added here, I can go into the order fulfillment. And here into order fulfillment, here's the waiting payment, pending process dispatch completed. If you head into listing, you should see that the shipping method should be appearing in here, the shipping cost and the amount. So that means that we are okay in here and we are actually good to go. Lastly is head into view your product directly into your store. So just make sure that you have now done a really great work there. So with that being said, guys, we have now reached into the very end of the video. Hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully you can have the best website online here as using Shopify and using Aliexpress providers. Thank you once again. Hopefully we can all see you next time.